Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk about some shoes. Now, shoes, I love picking up shoes, but I hate cleaning them. Cleaning shoes is a process and a half. So I try to stick to the really clean shoes, but in the area where I live near Pittsburgh, I don't have very many shoe options. My thrift stores in Salvation Army, they just don't carry that many shoes, and if they do, they put them in the boutique. They pick them off and they put them in the more expensive section. So when I used to live in Boston, I used to have 30, 40, 50 shoes per week. Over here, I'll be lucky if I find 10. So, but anyways, here's what we picked up for this week. First, we have this Nike Tempo. It looked like it's a soccer shoe, but it's like for indoor soccer. It doesn't have cleats, so you use these indoor. I don't know how much I'm gonna get for these, since they have, you know, scuff mark like this on them. But I like them, and I got these for like $4. So I took a chance on them. I just like this orange, the orange Nike. I'm like, I really like this. Like, it's a personal choice is why I picked up these shoes. So, you know, maybe I'll sell them for like, I don't know, $15, $20. I don't know, we'll see. So, some Nike, you could call them indoor soccer shoes. Next, we're gonna go right to some J. Crew female ballerinas. I don't find a lot of J. Crew shoes, but J. Crew is one of my brands. It's like a personal brand. I like it. I like picking the J. Crew stuff. So I thought I would be getting a little bit more for these ballerina shoes, because ballerina shoes like Tory Burke sell for a lot, but these ballerina shoes, see, there it goes, seem to only go for about 20 to 25, but I only paid $3 for them. So there, J. Crew ballerina shoes. Another female item. This nice little Adidas. Look at this. Nice Adidas. You know, they're clean. So these, you know, is what I like to pick up. Not a lot of work to clean them. I have a brush I'll scrub these with if needed. I don't like to use the magic eraser because it'll eat up the magic eraser up really hard. The price is on the bottom. I'm not gonna be able to clean this. So I don't know. Maybe I'll take the photo with it. But the way it is with the divots, is I'll eat up a magic eraser and the brush won't really clean it. But should probably get like $20, $25 for these. They're pretty basic Adidas shoes. Next we have, let's go to these hookahs. These are tennis shoes. I think these for like people that actually, oh no, are they? I think they're tennis or they're runners, for people that run. So last time I did the research, I think it's ultras. Ultras I think is for tennis, and these are for people that run. I don't know, I might have this backwards, but anyways, look at these nice hookahs. I could get this a little cleaner, but it's okay. It's okay. There it goes. Pretty good shape. This part right here is not as clean as it could be, but this, like these shoes, when I get them, they sell for like $50, $60. So even if I have to settle and take $35 for these, it's still definitely a great pickup. Hookahs. Lady shoe. These I picked up today. These are Nike Flex Experience. Yeah, Nike Flex Experience. I picked these up. I don't usually pick up Nikes like this, like the Nike runners and stuff like that. They just don't go for much. You see Nike runners like this, they just don't go for much. But I picked these up because it was clean. Like this surface right here is really clean, and the rubber has just a little dirt on it, and I could clean this very easily. Plus, you know, still it was in good shape. Paid $5 for these. I probably will sell these for like 20, 22, 25 with shipping. There goes some Nike Experience 7s. RN. I wonder if it's nurse. I wonder if this RN. It said RN. I wonder if these are for people that are nurses. So if you guys know, leave a comment below if these are nurse shoes. Next we have paid $4 for these. Adidas. These are not Adidas. These are Reebok City Classic. The suede. I said suede. Suede in gray. There we go, right here. Nice shoe, good condition. It looked like it hasn't been used that much at all. Paid $4 for these. I thought these would have gone for like 35, but it seems online it's going for like 25. But I might hold out. You know, with the summer coming, I might hold out for like 20. I might hold out for 30. I want 30 for these. These shoes are nice. I want 30 for these. Next we have, let me go with these. Bean boots. Classic LL Bean boots. We're in January right now, so I don't know how much in demand these are. But you know, mud season coming with the snow melting in the mud, people might still pick these up. These are very lightweight. I thought they were fake. They don't have any steel toe. They're very flexible, and the back is all, you know, soft leather. But look at the wear on these. Look at this. Somebody was dragging their foot big time. So that's definitely gonna take some of the value off. Plus it's got some really bad scuffs on this. Look at that scuff. Look at that scuff. Let me zoom in on that. Look at that. So it's got some damage. Overall, the lows do well, but the big ones like this, the high top, do better. So I'm still expecting maybe 35, 40 for these, maybe. But with the heels the way they are, I don't know. I might have to settle for 30 on this. So we'll see. It's nice though. They're in good condition. Bean boots. LL Bean. Next we have really soft Clarks. Like, I don't pick up Clarks that often because Clarks are really saturated, but when they come in ankle boots like this, I pick them up. And the price was right on this. I think this was like $3. Real soft ankle boots. You know, beggars can't be choosers. I need shoes in my inventory, part of my inventory. So it definitely sells a little faster than plain clothes, and it brings people to the store. So some Clarks. Next, I think this is the pickup of the week. I think this is a pair of Timberlands, especially since I paid like $3 for these. Look at these Tims. Look at these Tims. Nice pair of Tims. Right? Nice pair of Tims in great condition. When I checked the soles for these, I saw one that sold for like $65. So I'm guessing around $50 to $65 for these Tims. Nice Tims. Last but not least, actually, last item. I don't know what these are. I picked these up. They're like spring shoes. They look like a private label that you see all over. But by private label, I mean like a Shopify. Like one of those Shopify shoes that are selling all over Facebook. They might be. Spigarios, or Spigarios is what these are called. They're like spring shoes for people that want to run. I don't know. I paid $5 for these. Probably paid too much. There was only like 11 on eBay, and most of them were new. A few of the used ones were going for like 27 plus shipping. So there you have it. Spigarios, I think it's pronounced. There, look like it's running shoes. you know, with the springs. There it goes. Alright guys, that's all we have for today. Like and subscribe. See you guys here next time. We also have some other videos. Please check out the other videos. We also have some other videos. Please check out the other videos. Subscribe. Thanks for watching ELO Flip. For more videos on reselling, what sold, item research, please subscribe to the ELO Flip YouTube channel.